This message is for all the LGBTQIA community who is watching us. I just want you to remind that you're just awesome the way you are, okay? Never allow other people's opinion even hurt you. Accept no one's definition of your life, in fact define yourself.
But do we know among the LGBT youth mental issues stemming from rejection are at the alarming level? According to a research study done by Family Acceptance Project compared to teens who have not faced rejection, LGBTQ teens who have faced rejection from their families or friends are 6 times more likely to report high level of depression, 6 times more likely to experiment with drugs, and 8 times more likely to commit suicide. Approximately 30 to 40% of LGBT youth have faced rejection on account of being LGBTQ, have attempted suicide. So let us all unite together and respect each other. They are not different from us. Let's not be a reason for someone's sadness or depression. Rather become a reason of their happiness. Accept them the way they are and support them.
Dip into your own soul and find your own truth. Who you are, who you want to be, and the person you want to love. And never be afraid to express the person you are. The society may judge, but you have to be strong enough to speak against it. Happy Pride Month and don't forget to be yourself.
Why is it that we are so comfortable seeing 2 men holding guns than holding hands? Why can't it be normalized? It's okay to be different.